How to fix QuickBooks error 80029C4A, error loading type library/DLL, for quick solutions. Solution 1, perform a clean install QuickBooks. Step 1, before you start, download the installer version of your QuickBooks. Step 2, have the license number handy. It should be in the original packaging. If you bought online, it should be in the purchase confirmation email. Step 3, now you need to remove QuickBooks. Step 4, to do this, open Windows Start menu and go to Control Panel. Step 5, select Programs and Features. Step 6, from the list of programs, look for QuickBooks. Step 7, right-click on QuickBooks and select Uninstall/Change. Step 8, then select the Remove option and click on Next. Step 9, once the uninstallation is complete, you need to reinstall QuickBooks. Step 10, before you reinstall QuickBooks, make sure that your computer meets the system requirements. Step 11, open the downloaded QuickBooks.exe file and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 12, agree to the license agreement and then select Next. Step 13, you will then be required to enter the product and license number. Step 14, next, you can choose between Express Install or Custom and Network Install. Step 15, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 16, after installation, QuickBooks will ask you to activate and update it. Step 17, to do this, open QuickBooks and go to Help. Step 18, then select Activate QuickBooks Desktop. Step 19, and follow the steps on the screen to verify your info. Solution 2, update QuickBooks. Step 1, close your company files and QuickBooks. Step 2, open the Windows Start menu and search for QuickBooks. Step 3, right-click on the QuickBooks icon and select Run as Administrator. Step 4, while on the No Company Open screen, go to the Help menu and select Update QuickBooks. Step 5, go to the Options tab, select Mark All and click on the Save button. Step 6, now go to the Update Now tab and click on the Reset Update checkbox. Step 7, when you're done, select Get Updates. Step 8, when the update finishes, close the QuickBooks. Step 9, now, reopen the QuickBooks and select Install Now on the pop-up. Step 10, once the installation is complete, restart the computer. Solution 3, run Reboot.bat file. Step 1, first off, close or shut down QuickBooks. Step 2, navigate to the folder that contains the Reboot.bat file and open it. Step 3, now, right-click on the QuickBooks icon and select Properties. Step 4, select the Open File Location option. Step 5, right-click on the Reboot.bat file and select Run as Administrator. Step 6, when the command prompt window shows up on the display with rapidly scrolling file names, do not close the window manually. Step 7, once the Reboot.bat file utility completes, the window will close automatically. Step 8, restart the computer and see if the error has resolved. Solution 4, perform a Windows repair on QuickBooks. Step 1, first off, close QuickBooks from the system. Step 2, click on the Windows Start menu and access Control Panel. Step 3, select the Uninstall or Change program and choose QuickBooks from the list. Step 4, in the next step, select Uninstall/Change program. Step 5, in the QuickBooks installation window, select the Repair option and click on Next. Step 6, once the repair process is complete, click on Finish. Step 7, restart the computer and ensure that QuickBooks opens normally. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 or +44 800 0548150.